Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the BthA2DP.sys blue screen error you're receiving on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I would suggest doing would be to open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot, best match, come back with troubleshoot settings, go ahead and open that up. On the right side underneath options, select other troubleshooters, and then you want to select the Bluetooth troubleshooter, go ahead and run that. You have to get permissions to run the automatic diagnostic utility and go ahead and approve that right there. Select continue. And then again, just follow along with the responses here as it pertains to your particular situation. And then once it's done, hopefully be able to fix the problem. Something else we can try here as well, if you open up the search menu and type in CMD, best match, you'll come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Now you want to type in SFC and then a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once it has concluded, close out of here. You want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.